Hello everyone, Andrew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a system that I've been using recently, or better said, I activated recently, and it's called LeadsLeap Profits. And you might be familiar with LeadsLeap.com, the traffic exchange site, and this system is called LeadsLeap Profits, and it is related to LeadsLeap.com. Okay, now this is the login page, but before I log into this system and show you how it is and what's going on, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, also that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Now, the moment you log into LeadsLeapProfits.com, you will have the option to try your luck. As you can read here, you get 3 free spins every day you log in. So you click on login, you click on login again, and it will take you to the free spins page. Now let me just, and this is only once per day, so this is my first login for the day. Let me just roll my 3 spins, and you can see here all the prices that you can get depending on what you roll. Almost I got a big win, which is $1. Okay, 3 banana, I just earned 0.25 cents. Okay, now all you have to do, I finished with my spins. Now all you have to do is scroll down and click here. No thanks, just send me to LeadsLeap Profits. Now, I just want to say since the beginning that this is not a free system to use. It costs only $10 one-time payment. And from whatever upline you sign up, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. And if you sign up under me and you want to activate your LeadsLeap Profits system, then you have to pay me $10 and then I will activate your system. My upline is the owner and admin of this system, Dani Cash, aka Brittany Murphy. So I paid her $10 and she activated my account. Now, what LeadsLeap Profits is basically is a system that helps you get the most out of LeadsLeap.com. So there is a training, a 10-day training. After you activate your account, you pay $10 and activate it. You will be, sorry, the daily training will be activated as well for you. And the first day you will have the first day of training. I'm not gonna go through that now, but the training is all about LeadsLeap, how to use it, every feature that LeadsLeap can offer and how to best use it on your advantage. Now, besides LeadsLeap, of course, you can build your downline here. There are some traffic exchange sites. So let's check it out. Downline builder, sorry, right here. And of course there is a video for every page by the owner, Dani Cash. Okay, so this is the downline. LeadsLeap is the first, of course, and then there are all these others. And I'm guessing that on a daily, periodically will be added more and more. So what you have to do is just put your referral link here, not just your ID. And whenever your referrer signs up on these sites, it will be your referral there as well. You get the idea. All right. So basically, this is a site to help you use at the best LeadsLeap.com. Recently, this feature was added, banner advertising. Like I said, this is quite new as a system, and periodically more features will be added. Banner advertising, which means you can advertise here as well, but apparently is not for free. All right, so if you want to purchase a 30 days banner ad, 125 dimensions, it costs only $25. Now, I'm not gonna go through all these other features. You can if you already used any traffic exchange site or any other sites alike, then you know all these features. But like I said, this is connected to LeadsLeap, and mostly you will find information and training about LeadsLeap.com. Now, the reason why I activated this system was just because out of curiosity. I've been using LeadsLeap.com for over a year now, and I've been using it a lot. I've been practicing a lot, promoting it a lot, so I know how it works. And I activated my account here just to go through the 10 days of training out of curiosity to see what Danny is teaching here. And like I said, um, it's a you can learn a lot from this training, even though the videos provided there are not at the best quality they might have been, all right? But then again, you will get all the information needed to use LeadsLeap in your advantage. You will also get a share code for a landing page, email series, list, opt-in form, etc. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave this video with this. I'm not gonna go, like I said, I'm not going through all the features, but I just wanted to show this system because it's related to LeadsLeap, and if you are struggling on how to use LeadsLeap at its full potential, then I suggest you sign up on this system, pay the $10 to your upline, whether it's me or anyone else, it doesn't matter, and go through your daily training every day. All right, it will help you, sorry, get started and work seriously with leadsleap.com. All right, so again, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. If you want to activate your account here, all you have to do is just send me an email. You will find all the details within your LeadsLeap Profits account. I will activate your account after I receive the payment, or your upline receives the payment, and then you can go through the daily training. After that, you can explore all the other features on your free time. But again, the important thing is that you get trained to use leadsleap.com at its best. This is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.